Good day, everyone. My report will be about percentages. So, just an introduction. When we say percent, it means out of 100. So, when we say 10 per 100, we write that as 10 over 100. For example, we have a jigsaw puzzle with 100 pieces. 10 of those pieces are colored orange. What percent is that? Simply have to solve it as such. So 10 over 100. 100 divided by 10, that's 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. So 1 over 10 is 0.10. And if you write that as percent sign, you just have to multiply this one by 100. So that is 10%. Okay, let's have another example. 5 over 20. In this example, your denominator is not 100. So you have to make 20 into 100. So what will you multiply by 20 to make it 100? So that's 5. So times 5, that's 100. And remember, what you multiply to your denominator, you also have to apply to your numerator. So 5 times 5 is 25. So now you just have to bring that once again to the lowest terms. And that's still gonna take you back to 5 over 20. So to make it easier, all you have to do is bring it to the lowest terms. So 20 divided by 5, that's 4. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So 1 divided by 4, that's 0.25 times 100. Or you could just move 2 places to the right, and you can come up with 25%. Now let's have another example. 24 over 58. So again, just bring it to the lowest terms. So their GCF is 2. So 58 divided by 2 is 29. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So 12 divided by 29 is 0.41379. So just multiply this by 100 or simply move 2 places to the right. You have 41.38%. Now let's have a word problem. Your student got 3 out of 15 in a quiz. What percentage is this? So you just have to write that down in fraction form. So 3 over 15. Now go to lowest terms. 15 divided by 3, that's 5. 3 divided by 3, that's 1. That's 0.2 times 100, or move 2 places to the right, that's 20%. So your student got 20% out of 100%. Now let's go to percentage, rate, and base. We have here this example. 75 is 25% of 300. So your base is 300. This is because your base represents 100% or the total value of something. Now your percentage is 75. Take note that the percentage is the proportion or something that is part of the base. And your rate is 25%. The rate is the one that defines what part of the percentage. So if we were to write these down in fraction form, we're going to have 75 over 300, and that is equal to 25 over 100. Now, what if any one of these were to go missing? For example, what is 25% of 300? So for that, we actually have 3 formulae. So if you're looking for percentage, just multiply the rate and the base. If you're looking for the base, just divide percentage over R. And if you're looking for the rate, just have percentage divided by the base. So let's have here an example. What is 75% of 50? To illustrate that, we can write it down in fraction form. Blank over 50 is equal to 75 over 100. So we have to look for this x, or this blank. So what's missing is the percentage. So you just have to multiply the rate and the base. So that is 0.75 times 50. The answer is 37.5. So 37.5 is 75% of 50. Okay, let's have another example. 5 is what percent of 25? So to draw that in fraction form, we have 5 over 25 is equal to blank over 100. So we're looking for the rate. So you simply have to divide 5 and 25. So 5, 25 is equal to, lowest terms, 25 divided by 5, that is 5. 5 divided by 5, that is 1. So 1 divided by 5, that's 0.2. Simply move 2 places to the right, and you have 20%. So 5 is 20% of 25. Okay, last example. 25 is 10% of what number? So first write that in fraction form. That's 25 over blank is equal to 10 over 100. So we're looking for this one, and that is the base. So all you have to do is divide 25 by 10%. So that's going to be 25 divided by 0.10. I'm going to show you how to do that manually. So that's 25 divided by 0.10. So you simply have to move 2 places to the right for your denominator, and also move 2 places to the left for your numerator. 2,500 divided by 10. So 25 divided by 10, 2, 25, bring down 0, 50 divided by 10, that's 5, times 10, that's 50, bring down 0, 0 divided by any number is 0, so your answer is 250. So 25 is 10% of 250. And that's it. Now let's go to the last part of our lesson. Percentage of increase and decrease. This basically refers to how much has changed between an original value and its new value. To find the percent of increase, you simply have to multiply the original value to 100% plus the percent of increase. To find the percent of decrease, you simply have to multiply the original value to 100% minus the percent of decrease. Now let's head straight on to an example. Viventia's favorite milk tea shop posted that all their prices will increase by 10% next month. If Viventia originally paid 120 pesos for strawberry milk tea, how much will he pay for it next month? So are we going to use the formula for the increase or the decrease? Yes, that's the formula for percent of increase. So let's just substitute. New value equal to original value, which is 120 pesos. Multiply that to 100% plus the percent of increase, which is 10%. So 10%. You have 120 times 110%. So that's 120 times 1.10. 132. So the new price for Viventia's favorite strawberry milk tea is 132 pesos. Now let's go to our example for percent of decrease. Loremi got a 30% discount voucher on a Boodle find in Shopee worth 450 pesos. How much does she have to pay? Using our formula, we have to substitute. Original value, which is 450 pesos, times 100% minus the percent of decrease, which is 30%. So that's 450 times 70%. That's 450 times 0.70. 315 pesos. So Lormi simply has to pay 315 pesos on Shopee. And that's all for my report today. I hope you all have learned something, and best of luck to everyone.